Warning! Bringing a drone into Bhutan without permission can get you into serious trouble. Confiscation, fines, even legal action. But why is this tiny Himalayan kingdom so strict about drones? And is there a way to fly legally? Let's find out. Bhutan, the land of the thunder dragon. A country known for its breathtaking monasteries, stunning valleys, and a commitment to gross national happiness. With landscapes this beautiful, it's tempting to fly a drone and capture the magic. But here's the problem. Drones are strictly regulated in Bhutan. You can't just fly one as a tourist. In fact, even locals need special approval. The Bhutan Civil Aviation Authority has clear rules. No drone flights without official permits and restricted zones near dzongs, temples, and national parks. In the past, tourists have had their drones taken away at the airport. Others have been fined for unauthorized flights. Why so strict? Security concerns, cultural respect, and environmental protection all play a role. Bhutan values its traditions and wants to preserve its peaceful atmosphere. So, can you legally fly a drone here? The answer is yes, but only if you get permission. Here's how. Apply for a permit through the Bhutan Civil Aviation Authority. If you're a filmmaker, work with a local Bhutanese production company. Follow the strict flight guidelines. No flying near heritage sites or military areas. It's not easy, but it's possible. Bhutan is a once-in-a-lifetime destination. If you want to fly a drone, plan ahead, follow the rules, and respect the culture. Otherwise, well, you might leave Bhutan without your drone. What do you think about Bhutan's strict drone laws? Let's talk in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more travel insights.